How to fix Snapchat application not working on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat not working. So first thing, just if you're also facing such your screens is just stuck being where your screen is just being stuck like this in your black screen, or you can't do anything other than be over here. So in that case, what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside here, just scroll down. You see the application option, just tap on this. So from over here, all you have to do is just find the Snapchat application. So I'll just quickly find it or by searching it, and just tap on that application and scroll down until you see the storage option just like this, and click on it. So when you are inside here, just clear the cache, clear the data from over here. So you may have to re-log in with your login credentials inside your Snapchat, and your issue should be fixed. So if your issue is still not fixed, then in that case, what you can do is just head over to your Play Store and just search in for Snapchat application just like this, and make sure you have updated your application. So once you update and reopen your application, your issue should be successfully fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.